You want us to go the other way? Yeah. Paul, do you want us to try and spread it the other way?
Well, in a wet meadow, burn kills the woody species, removes the dead material, so it allows everything to come up with a nice green flush. It releases nutrients back into the soil. In a prairie, it blackens the soil, so it warms the soil up so that the prairie species can grow faster. So it's taking some of the nutrients out of the soil, and the prairie grasses, the prairie wildflowers have very deep root systems, so they can go deep and find nutrients in the soil without any problem, whereas the weedy species, they have very shallow root systems, and they are real nutrient suckers, so they need the extra nutrients to thrive. And there's something called nitrogen deposition, which is happening all the time from acid rain and pollution. So that's all, it's constantly fertilizing everything. So removing some of the nitrogen from the soil shifts the balance towards the prairie species as well. And also it stimulates their root growth. When they're hit by fire, they spread out more. So it benefits the prairie in many different ways.